Hi guys, in this video we're going to continue to talk about profit taking, but we're going to talk about other side of the profile inflection points or tops and bottoms as you'll see them in the scanner. So what I want to do here is I just want to reset my sorting. We're going to focus again on the S&P 500. There's quite a few stocks here and quite a bit of activity, and today's again January 26th after the close. We've had some wild and crazy times with this thing. So let's do this first. I want to do a sort on the S&P 500 that's called top on my weekly. All right, so I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to do a manual sort. And again, we're just looking at this from a simplicity standpoint. We're just doing some sorts here, manual sorts, so we can just kind of bring some things to light. And I'm just going to pick the top one up here, AMAT. All right, so the market's bounced a little bit in the past couple of days, Thursday, Friday, Monday, and today. We've had 4 days, and I think we've had a net move up of I don't know, 500 or 600 Dow points of that. So as you see, there's an arrow down here, and there's a top. So what we're looking at is a stock that's kind of rallied up into its top neighborhood on our long-term weekly, and we're looking at inflection points. Again, the premise of this video to learn how to take profits. So again, I want to pull up my my chart here, and I'm going to look at my weekly and my daily. So the interesting thing is on applied materials, I see top and top. So what's going on with our weekly and dailies? We're coming up from below up into two inflection points on two different time frames that are in the very same vicinity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my landscape chart here, and as you can see, I'm coming up into my weekly at about 1738, and I'm in the same daily unfair high neighborhood around 1726. So again, where have we come from? We've come from, as I pull up the chart again, we've come from, if you'll notice this, the initiation of the trade, getting to the bottom of the profile down at 1603. We've had a good move up. The weekly and dailies line up on the inflection points. So is this a good time to start taking profits? I know we've got our head poked above here a little bit on the daily, but remember, we're in that DMZ, if you will, that's right there shown in our landscape chart between the unfair highs on our daily and the unfair highs on our weekly. So again, if you've been able to kind of buy the dip and catch those inflection points down below, almost to the tick I see, this is not a bad area to look at taking profits. And remember, um, until we're told differently, we've got to turn the wrench the same way. And by and large, we've broken below profiles here, and we're just coming back and retesting the top. We may have some more downside move here, and taking half off the table in a situation like this is not the worst thing in the world.